even try staying at home. I know you're a bad girl trying to be good, looking so hot, looking so fine. Baby, for tonight I want you to be mine. We're going for a ride. Oh, we're going for a ride. So won't you come on out with me, forever young and free. So won't you come on out with me? There's no place I'd rather be. Together we'll escape deep into the night. Just do whatever that feels alright. So won't you come on out with me? So won't you come on out with me? Oh hey you, what you gonna say? I just wanna take you far away. Don't go to sleep, staying in bed. Gonna pick you up, so be ready to play. You're looking so hot, looking so fine. Baby, for tonight I want you to be mine. We're going for a ride. We're going for a ride. So won't you come on out with me, forever young and free. So won't you come on out with me? There's no place I'd rather be. Together we'll escape deep into the night. Just do whatever that feels alright. So won't you come on out with me? So won't you come on out with me? So come on out, yeah. So come on out. Oh no, 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 no. Close your eyes, let me show you the best of my world. Hold me tight, making memories, let's do this together. Flying high, only me and you, girl. I want you by my side, I want you by my side. So won't you come on out with me, forever young and free. So won't you come on out with me? There's no place I'd rather be. Together we'll escape deep into the night. Just do whatever that feels alright. So won't you come on out with me? So won't you come on out with me? So please come on out, yeah. So won't you come on out now, baby, please. Now won't you come on out with me? Ooh, please come on out.
Well, hey there, welcome back. And let me introduce to you Calliope. Yeah, she's a little shy. What I love about this, and with every piece that I've created where I do the swipe background and then blow out the flowers, utilizing my pouring medium and not just water, because I've done one with water and I don't exactly get the same effect. But what I love is the, I don't know what you want to call it, the little cells or something that I get when I swipe over. I don't know, like it looks like it's almost like dripping. I love like the effect I get sometimes on the outside of the blooms. This was the very first time that I used that Treasure Gold by Deco Art, I think it is, or Folk Art, I don't know, Fire Opal stuff mixed with my pouring medium. So I got like a little bit of a different, like I noticed that in a couple of the centers, I lost a little bit of the center of the bloom, but that was kind of okay, right? Because they're, in my mind, disappearing into the unknown as her mind explores the world, you know? Like, I'm just making shit up. It doesn't even make any sense, but hey, we're gonna go with it. It's got like this trailing, like it's kind of like blowing apart, like kind of like you'd see like on a, what is that, a dandelion when they're just the puff of puff and they're not the yellow things. Is it a dandelion? I don't even know. Like what is that flower that does that thing? I think that's what it is, a dandelion going to seed. And you know, it blows into the unknown. If that makes any sense to anybody, it probably doesn't, but hey, let's just give it a shot, eh? But that's how I feel. Yeah, that's kind of like what I envision and what I think when I look at this. I don't know, I mean, art speaks to everybody differently, so I would love to hear how this speaks to you, if at all. I really love creating these. Like this is for me the end all be all of ever I dreamt of where I could take my art, and we're not done yet. I got a lot more work to do. I got a lot more things to learn. I think I can take this though to a whole nother level still, because this is just the beginning stages for me of creating these. But I truly like, man, I do like a different texture on the dress. I don't want to blow out blooms down here and blooms up here. Like that's just, yeah. I love just the differentiation so that this is the piece. This creates the emotion of what this is, if that makes any sense to anybody. And that's how I feel. And then when I talk about creating a fluid art video experience, I put it to music that evokes the emotion, how I'm feeling when I am creating this. Whether that be the blowing out the flowers or how I feel that Calliope in this case would feel about, you know, the image that's going to appear on the canvas. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you're loving this content because I can't stop. I've got so many more ideas swirling in my head. So there's more content coming that'll be like this. If you like any of this, please like, subscribe, turn on notifications, so that people can experience what I do. So anyway, ciao for now. See you in the next video. I have yet to pour it. I'm gonna work on that this weekend and see kind of what unfolds. I don't know. Somebody said to do like a monochromatic. Who knows? Maybe that's what I'll do. I hate saying that though, because I might get totally inspired by something completely different and then not do it. Yeah, that happens. I kind of do a lot of things. I don't know why I'm standing in front of her so you can't see her, because she's very pretty. I haven't gotten dressed up in like years. Ever since COVID, I have not, I don't even really own proper clothes, like to go outside other than the grocery store. And even I bet you if you saw me going to the grocery store, you'd say that's not proper attire either, Tiffany. Yeah. But anyway, thanks for being here. I hope you're loving this. I know I am. And I just want to create more fluid art video experiences for you, combining the two techniques of the acrylic pour, blowing out whatever this is, and then against the brush work of creating a mystery for you in a beautiful mind. Ciao for now. Thanks for joining me. See you in the next one.
I can see you looking at me. Yeah, my eyes are open wide. So you want me to set